Well, welcome back to Alaska Woodyard, everyone.
Hi.
So today, Joel's got a bowl done. We did have a prize winner that found our microphone that I lost for the second time. We've been busy with the wood, of course. Out of dry wood, selling green wood, still selling pretty good. Delivered a load today, a load yesterday, and a customer come and pick up a load today.
And yesterday.
Oh, and a customer pickup yesterday. So we've been pretty busy. It's pretty windy out. We were going to process today, but it is windy.
And cold.
Not that cold.
Even though it's 35 degrees.
Yeah, 35, 38. It's actually 38 degrees. It's this afternoon. It's just sweatshirt weather. This is how we work. It's nice weather. The wind did pick up quite a bit, so it blows sawdust and sand and everything around. So Joe's going to come out in the shop here, and let's show him the bowl that you gave away. So our winner was Ralph from Pennsylvania. Guessed in the video, the time was around 1750, 1754. You can see the microphone on the inside of the splitting chamber on the left-hand side. Now you would think, with me reaching back there and throwing wood, that I would have saw that. Joe come up with the camera a couple times. She pulled wood out, didn't see it. I looked. It bothered me. I went out that night and looked, and we're editing the video, and there it is. So, and last year it happened the same thing. We looked for 2 days in the rain, everything else, lost it, give up on it. I'm out there one day cleaning out the shooting the processor. I look at, what is that over there on that? There it was, stuck, a little magnet that sticks to it. So I think I got it in my pocket here. So on the back side of this, it's got a little magnet. It's pretty strong. And I have it on my shirt. I reach over into the splitting chamber, and it sticks on there. Well, I couldn't find it. We thought it went in the back of the truck up into the woodpile, but it was stuck there. Second time.
I gotta let the dog in.
Let the little dogs in. So there's a sawdust hound right there. Diesel. That's Diesel. And Isabella's still outside. They're out running around. So let's show them your bowl.
This is the same bowl that I was working on that was on the lathe on our last video. And this is how it turned out. It's got some of that bird's eye on it.
Turn around, yeah, right there. So Jill autographed it, and we're going to send that out tomorrow to Ralph. And then show him one of your anniversary presents. Our anniversary was 2 weeks ago, so our 5th anniversary is wood. So Jill made me a really nice bowl, and I made her a wooden picture frame. And
a moose.
This is the moose.
A puzzle.
So it's like a little puzzle. You'll slide apart. You want to slide them apart there? Show them. So it slides apart. Make a nice little puzzle for like kids too. So I got some more traced out, and just like a piece of spruce 2x6 or whatever. You can carve that out with a
kind of cool.
Little sanding. I do have some eyes for him. I don't know if I'm going to put them on or not. Have a look. I got some craftsmanship eyes for my whirly gigs, and they came in the other day. So that's a couple of our projects we've done, and then show them your cherry bowls over there that have broke and what we're going to do with them, or you're going to do with them.
I'm not so good that I don't blow them out. But fortunately, this one here I'll just turn down a little bit to where it's all even, and it could be for like M&M. But this is a cherry bowl that'll go here on my lathe, just like that and stuff. So
you turn that into a little platter, like a little plate.
Yeah.
Take it down. So.
And then this here is a bowl that I've already turned once, let it dry, and now it's ready to be turned again. So I'm just trying to clean up my space over here so I can make room for my bigger projects right behind you.
Oh, yep. And we sold our old table saw yesterday. I got the new saw stop, of course, and then this was a Powermatic, a really good table saw. Just I felt safer with the other one, and this is only 1.5 horses, and the other one is 3 horse. And we do rip some big 3 and 4 inch dry wood, so the bigger saw did help a little bit. So we did sell this yesterday, coming tomorrow morning to pick it up.
So isn't that what this is, where you'll use your saw stop to cut my bowl blades?
Yeah, so these are big birch that we saw last year. So we ripped them down into pieces and use them for bowl blanks.
Yeah, I can see it's pretty thick. But that'll make a nice ball the way that is. Nice balls.
So that's what we've been up to. I'm going to take you out in the yard here in a minute and just give you a quick look at the wood pile. It's cracking pretty good though, isn't it?
It's cracking really well. I've been stacking a lot. Obviously, if I'm processing it, I'm going to have to stack it and stuff. And they seem to go down faster going out the door than...
You're getting behind.
No, I have everything stacked now.
Well, you have to get on the processor. There's Isabel outside the woodhound. See if she'll come in.
Isabel.
Come on in, Iz.
Here.
They want to see the little doggy.
Here you go. Here you go. Whoops.
So, as you can see, Isabel's had a healthy winter. She's on a little bit of a diet. She's already lost a ½ pound. And, of course, Diesel, he's going to be right after her. They play and goof around a lot. So I'm going to take him out in the wood pile, Jill, and show him what we got going on out there. And then, oh, our wood. We only burned 2/3 of a cord all of January.
Right, because the wind had already died down.
Right. So since we've been burning, we've only burned maybe 2.5 cord.
Right.
About that. All winter long. So a mild winter for us. And I used to live in northern New York. I couldn't take that harsh weather, cold winters down there. So I moved to Alaska. A little bit of snow, but I can't take that cold, nasty weather that you guys get down there.
Well, here, in December, when that wind was sailing and 80 and 90 miles an hour, that was pretty tough.
Yeah, it was tough. We had no snow. It was tough. It's almost sort of having snow. We couldn't work outside, so kind of a little bit behind on our wood production, but
we'll make it up because we're on the downhill side of winter.
Yep, and then we are planning our trip down to Tennessee to the firewood show. So it's off for a cruise the 8th of March. Mm-hmm. My daughter lives in Tennessee. We're going to go and visit a couple days, see my grandson, and then we're going to go over to the show Friday and Saturday. It's above Chattanooga, I believe it is.
I think so.
Hey, they want to know what's going on, Diesel.
Here, let me grab them. There.
That's a wild little hound, Diesel. Yeah, you better behave. So we'll go out and get a couple shots here. We were going to actually hook up the log dog trailer today and bring some wood up. We got a lot of tree length done, but just the weather, so we're going to put it off one more day. And we're going to have a shorter video today. So anything in the you want us to see, do
our operation,
let us know in the comments. We do at the Circle Sawmill, and I do love to saw. It's time. The firewood's keeping us so busy. I do have a lot of logs that got to get sawed up.
Well, I have my bundle wood. When I'm doing my bundle wood, you can go saw.
So the other night she got all caught up doing bundle wood. Go out, 12 bundles gone. She just left there, come back out, check the mail, 12 bundles gone. So she's back in the bundling business again. So
I'm just hopping from one kind of wood over there, which is the birch. The spruce is for my bundle wood, and then the burls are over here. I'm working all the time, it seems like, with wood.
Yep, and then the dog is training her too. Huh, Diesel? Yeah. Well, I'll take you in the sawmill here. It's pretty messy, but we have an old Frick sawmill. Works pretty good. It's an old 1940 circle saw. That's a 52-inch blade, and we power it with a 238 horse Detroit 671. Take you around the other side here. So this is the business end over here, as I call it. So this is where, when Jill is helping me, she's down here. And this is the hard part of the mill because the lumber can fly off this thing pretty quick. But here's some of the birch we sawed I actually saw this by myself. I think it was a month ago, maybe 5 weeks ago now, quite a long time ago. So we'll go over here to the processor. Jill's getting that buttoned up for the day. We decided not to process with the wind. Got another bag of sawdust. And if you're new to the channel, we sell those for $30 for the super sacks. And we cannot keep those. They go right out just as soon as we get them done. We can't even get a couple ahead and they're gone. So we're back out here in the woodyard, and before we forget in the video, we had one of the cutest things happen last night. I have a soft spot for children anyway.
Oh.
So yesterday afternoon late, we were in town just coming home from a delivery, and one of our customers called us about, he goes, you can say yes or no. He goes, my daughter's doing a field trip and they're looking for a donation for their trip, and they're going to have a silent auction. And this is a very small school right here in Sutton. I think there's 46 students in the middle school, 4th grade, 5th grade. I don't know if 6th grade's involved. It's a small classes. So I said sure. They were looking about getting one of those log bags, 1/3 of a cord. He goes, well, I'll buy some wood too. I said, no, you don't have to. We'll donate a bag.
Right.
So he brought his daughter up last night to do a presentation. She's in 5th grade. Oh my goodness, she done such a great job. And so we gave them a bag of wood for the silent auction, and they're raising it for a field trip to go down in Homer, and they're going to sleep in some yurts and study some sea life. It's going to be a really nice little trip. So
I think it's for a week.
3 days or 5 days.
Oh, okay.
And it's in end of May, so it'll be nice and warm down there, so they're going to enjoy that. And they have she gave us a sticker. If we trade the processor, we're going to keep it and put it on our new one. And if we don't sell this right off, we probably hold off until fall. We have not had any serious inquiries about the processor, about buying it. So if we weren't so far away in the lower 48, this thing would be gone, because a good price on it, and it's a really good machine. So she gave us a sticker, brought us a sticker last night, and one of the best little presentations that, it was sweet, wasn't it?
It was very sweet.
So we did that, and happy to do it, and we hope they raise their money for their trip. And this is where the microphone was stuck to. And that happened to me twice. So
well, hopefully the third time he will start looking on the chamber before he sends me out looking through 2 cords of cut and split.
that's one way to get her to pilot. So now you can see it's on my hat. I really don't care for it up there, but I never lose it up there. So, and this wind is brutal, as I hope you probably will hear in the video. So let me take you over here to the piles where we're out here.
I'm going to cover up the machine.
Okay. So of course the dogs, they just love it out here when we're out here. We have to watch the eagles, so we can't leave them alone. We have to be with them, because the eagles will snatch them up. And there's Isabel, the woodhound. So we just cut this wood this week. And I don't know if you can see in the photo, but it is starting to crack a little bit. So this is what Jill has done this past week. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cord here. And this is what we done last November. Look at this wood. Really cracked open pretty nice. So it's pretty windy out here. Well, we hope you enjoyed our video today. We keep the sawdust flying in the Alaska woodyard.
Hey, thanks for coming along.